Did you know you can create a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face? If you're looking to start a faceless YouTube channel and start making lots of money from the comfort of your home in this 2025, then this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to break down things that will guarantee your success as a faceless YouTuber. Faceless YouTuber mostly for people that are camera shy, people that don't have a very good videoing camera, or people that don't just want to stress themselves in front of a camera recording for a very long time, but they still want to own a YouTube channel. With the help of AI, you don't even need to do your video yourself or do the editing yourself. Everything will be done for you automatically. Well, first thing you should consider while starting a faceless YouTube channel, find those channels in your niche that are successful, and by successful I mean those channels with millions of subscribers that are constantly uploading videos on their channel every blessed day. When you find those channels, the next thing you should do is to analyze those channels. Analyze the length of their video, the frequency of their upload, and by frequency of the upload, I mean how many times they upload in a day. Do they upload 2 times in a day, 4 times in a week, 5 times in a month? Analyze those things. Is there any keywords that they keep using over and over again on their channel? It could be their title, the description, the channel tag, the length of the video. Make sure to pick out those keywords, and those are the keywords you're going to be working with. And this will guide you while you are preparing for your own YouTube channel, because YouTube channel is 60% preparation and 40% execution. But one of the biggest problems a lot of people have while starting out on YouTube channel is that they will just come create a channel and upload once and you even see them again. If you're not prepared, you are definitely going to fail. When you study those channels, you're able to pick out 1 or 2 strategies. It could be the intro strategy, the actual strategy, the length of their video, the frequency of their upload, everything. By the time you gather those strategies and then infuse it with yours, you're going to see a very, very good success on your YouTube channel. If you want to succeed with your faceless YouTube channel, there are some tools that you'll be needing. Some of those tools are for free, while some of them are actually paid, but trust me, you'll be needing them. The first tool you'll be needing is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been instrumental to the success of a lot of faceless YouTube channels. It generates anything you want. Maybe you want title, maybe you want channel name for your YouTube channel, maybe you want video idea, maybe you want a script for your videos. It will help you generate all these things completely. The next you'll be needing, the second one is trending, Google Trend. Yeah, with Google Trend you can find trending topics, trending keywords that you can use on your channel, and it will grow tremendously. The another tool that you'll be needing is vidIQ. You can use vidIQ to find best tags and keywords and best keywords. And one thing I love about that vidIQ is that it gives you a daily topic. It gives you a daily topic, even when you don't know what you are gonna, the content you will do next. That vidIQ will help you and give you a topic that you can work on. The next one is InVideo AI. If you're going to be running a complete automated faceless YouTube channel, that is, you don't want to come up with your script, you don't want to do your editing yourself, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to do anything at all, you just want to use a single prompt and generate a video, upload it on your channel, and your channel keeps growing. InVideo AI will help you generate your video automatically with just one single prompt. Yeah. If you find this video helpful, please do well to comment your thoughts, share, like, and comment for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.